Losing belly fats is a problem. Losing weight is a problem. Reducing on your stomach is a problem. But starting from today, don't be stressed, because I'm going to show you the easiest remedy, the easiest recipe you can be drinking at home in order to reduce belly fats, in order to reduce on your big stomach. Remember, this recipe I'm going to show you right now, it's very easy and simple to make at home, and it doesn't have side effects, okay? But what you have to do is to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end, and please don't forget to give a like to this video. And if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, please subscribe right now so that we can make one family. But remember, you don't need to exercise, you don't need to be on balanced diet. Only this recipe will make one. But please don't forget to tell us where you're watching this video from. Watch the entire video from the beginning up the end, so that I'll be telling you when you're supposed to drink this recipe. Okay, so watch my video right now and we shall be back. Now get for me 1 piece of lemon of your choice, whatever color you are having, but so long as it's a lemon, whether green or yellow. Okay, cut your lemon into slices. Okay, as you see right now what I'm doing in my video. But trust me, this recipe, when it comes to reducing belly fats, losing weight, you will thank me later. You won't remain the same. You don't need to exercise, you don't need to be on balanced diet. Only this recipe will chop all your belly fats, will help you to lose weight. Okay, yes, but please tell us where you are watching this video from. Tell us the name of your country, and of course subscribe to this channel if you have not yet, guys. Subscribed, okay? But from that, get for me 1 piece of ginger. Remove the outer parts of your ginger. Let me say, clean very well your ginger, okay? But guys, I need your support. Just subscribe to this channel, give a like to this video, tell us where you are watching this video from. Trust me, you will remain the same, because Coach Uganda loves you. Coach Uganda brings you educative videos for both fitness and home remedies. Okay, so just subscribe right now if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, but if this recipe, you don't need to go for exercising, you don't need to be on the balanced diet. Only this will help you to be a real person, to help you to bring back your good structure. Okay, but from that, put all your cutted ingredients in your favorable saucepan. Add for me 1 glass of water and boil very well until it brings water bubbles. Okay, yes, this, it will chop all your belly fats. No need to exercise, no need to go for fitness workouts. Okay, so after boiling, you are going to bring your recipe into your favorable cup. Okay, and from that, what you're going to do is to add for me 1 spoon of natural honey. Please, natural honey. Okay, natural honey. Then mix very well. But please, guys, subscribe to right now to this channel, give a like to this video, tell us where you are watching this video from, and we can be one family. Okay, so watch up the end. right now, I hope there's no fighting with belly fats, there's no fighting with big stomach. Not so, because this recipe, it's easy and simple to make at home. It's very cheap. Can you imagine? Now, if I talk about this recipe, when you keep on taking this recipe, you don't need to exercise. You don't need to be on balanced diet. First of all, it doesn't have side effect. Okay? But you can be taking this recipe at least 2 times a day, morning and evening. Okay? It doesn't have side effect. But when you try to take it morning and evening, trust me, you won't remain the same. After 3 weeks, I want you to be my witness. Come here and tell us how you have achieved. Okay? This recipe, which I have shown you how to make it at home. When it comes to burning belly fats, when it comes to losing weight, trust me, you won't remain the same. Okay? This will make wonders. This can make wonders towards your body. Okay? But please, I need your help. Let us make one family here. And if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, please give a like to this video and subscribe right now, like the way others did. Okay? But remember, I come from Uganda. That's why I'm called Coach Uganda. I'm a professional nutritionist. That's why I bring for you such videos. But please try out this recipe. You'll come and tell us your testimony. Let me wish you a nice day. Happy 2024. May God bless you. See you again to the next video. Bye-bye.